Hey y'all, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm sharing a recipe for a super easy but super delicious pot sticker ramen. We are nowhere near soup temperatures where I'm at just yet, but on this day I was craving something warm and delicious that would be hearty and filling, but at the same time not super heavy. I also didn't want to spend a lot of time worrying over ingredients, so I grabbed some pork broth that I had frozen in my freezer. I grabbed some pot stickers that I got from Trader Joe's that were ready-made, and then I went ahead and pulled some pak choi from my garden, and then I grabbed the ingredients that I needed to use up in my refrigerator and threw those in as well. So the recipe will be down in the description box if you are someone that likes creative combinations in food and or you're just looking for great recipes to try. Definitely stick around, hit that subscribe button, and share the video with a friend. Without further ado, let's cook. So you guys saw that all I did was saute my aromatics in some oil. I added in my broth and brought that up to a boil. And then in a separate pan, I went ahead and got the pot stickers searing over a medium-high heat. I went back to season my broth. I used salt, pepper, white pepper, and some umami seasoning for the seasoning components. And then I went ahead and made a mixture with some Asian flavors, and I will leave that mixture down below to mimic the tare that they typically use in ramen. After my broth boiled for a little bit, I went ahead and added the tare mixture, and then I allowed that to simmer for just a few minutes in the broth. Once my pot stickers had gotten a nice sear on them, I actually transferred them right into the broth instead of steaming them in the pot because I knew that they would steam within the broth. And I had my water boiling for my noodles in the background. Now I went ahead and used soba noodles for this. Soba noodles take approximately 4 minutes to cook, and so does pak choi. So at the point that I'm adding the pak choi, I had just enough time for my noodles to boil. Once the 4 minutes was up, I went ahead and started plating, and you guys see here I just added in all the broth and all the fixings, and then I overlaid the soba noodles on top. And once I was done plating, all I did was top the ramen with some green onion, and this was so good. I urge you guys to try this recipe if you are looking for a quick, easy, and non-intimidating ramen recipe to make. You will not regret trying this. As always, I thank you guys for watching the channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.